Only 1% can solve all these riddles. Are you in that 1%? This is a very hard riddle. Most people get at least one wrong, but only a few will get all 5 correct. This is a great mix of lateral thinking and logic puzzles, and I think you're going to really enjoy them. All the answers are given away in the video, so pause at the right time if you don't want them to be spoiled. But before we get started, if you're new here and you love a good challenge, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. You won't want to miss what's coming next. All right, let's begin. Here's your first riddle. There are 2 ducks in front of a duck, 2 ducks behind a duck, and a duck in the middle. How many ducks are there in total? Okay, moving on to our next riddle. You come across a grassy field and you see a carrot, a scarf, and 5 pieces of coal lying on the ground. There are no people or footprints anywhere. What's going on here? Next up, we have a proper logic puzzle. A man's sock drawer contains 53 socks. 21 are blue, 15 are black, and 17 are red. The power is out, so it's pitch black. How many socks does he have to pull out to be 100% certain he has a pair of black socks? On to the next one. This is another lateral thinking puzzle. A man lives on the 10th floor of a building. Every single morning, he gets in the elevator and takes it down to the ground floor to go to work. But in the evening, when he comes home, he only takes the elevator to the 5th floor and then walks up the last 5 flights of stairs to his apartment. The only exception is on rainy days, when he takes the elevator all the way to the 10th floor. Why? And finally, we have the ultimate riddle. You're in a room with 2 doors. One leads to freedom, the other to certain doom. In front of the doors are 2 guards. One guard always tells the truth, and the other always lies. You have no idea which is which. You can ask only one question to one of the guards to figure out which door leads to freedom. What do you ask? Again, the answers are given away in the video, so pause at the right time if you don't want them to be spoiled. So, the big question: how did you do? Did you earn your spot in the 1% club? Comment below and let me know how many you solved. And if you had fun with this, hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and maybe share this with a friend to see if they can beat your score. Thanks for hanging out and putting your brain to the test with me. See you in the next one.